What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 360 Jabs, aka Just a Boy Spinning, and I'm back again with another video. I said I'm back with another video. Yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a pomade. This video is for my beginner, so if you're a beginner, if you're just starting your waves journey, stay tuned. I've got some good stuff for you guys. So, without too much talking, let's get straight to the video. So first off, let me tell you guys what the pomade is used for. This is the pomade I use right now. I know most of you guys use the normal spot and wave pomade. It should be somewhere in the screen. I know some of you guys use this for your hair. If you have it, just get it and use it along with me in this video. So pomade is basically used to lay down your hair, and as you all know, waves are lay down coils. You train your hair to lay down in specific directions, your coils to lay down in specific directions to form the illusion of waves. So that's what waves are. Waves are lay down coils. So you're basically just training your hair to lay down. So that's where pomade comes in. The pomade is used to compress your hair and let it stay laid before you put on your do-rag. So I'll be showing you how to apply a pomade to your hair and how to use the pomade for maximum efficiency. I don't really use pomades anymore because my hair is already trained, it's already laid down, and I already got waves, so I don't really use it that much. Right now I use mostly natural products. Most pomades are not natural, so that's why I don't really use pomades any longer. But if you're a beginner, you shouldn't be worried about what's natural or not natural, or you need those waves. Anything to give you the waves, you got to do it, except relaxers. Don't use relaxers. Enough talking, let's just go straight to the video. Let me show you guys how to use the pomade. It's time to take off my do-rag, show you guys my recent progress. Stay tuned, you like this.
This is silent noise.
Yeah, so make sure you guys grab your pomade, make sure you grab your brush, and don't forget the mirror. Yo, it's your boy Jab. I just want to let you guys know that I'm racing 360 GZ to 4 million subscribers before the end of the year. So I would appreciate it the most if you go down and click the red button and be subscribed. Turn on the post notification bells to get notified anytime I drop a video so that you don't miss any video. I love you guys. Let's get back to the video. The pomade can also act as a sealing cream. So what this means is that if you are going into a brush session, you shouldn't use your pomade first. You should use any other product you want to use, your butter, moisturizer, any other thing you want to put in your hair before putting your pomade. Because once you put your pomade, it won't really allow anything absorb into your hair anymore. You should first use any other product before using your pomade. Just take a little piece, less than a dime size, because you don't need a lot. Apply it like this to your crown area first. Just go round your crown. So once that is done, get your medium brush and let's go on a quick 10-minute brush session. So what you're doing is that you're brushing from your crown. You're brushing from your crown outwards. You are distributing the pomade from your crown outwards to your hairline. Once you've taken the pomade out from the crown, go for a proper brush session around your hair for at least 5 to 15 minutes. What you've done is that you've distributed the pomade from your crown around your hair. But if you still feel your hair is a bit dried and the pomade wasn't enough, mind you, you shouldn't use too much pomade on your hair. If you just feel that, this is for people that are wolfing. If you're wolfing and that little dime size wasn't enough, you can take another dime size of pomade and apply it to your hair and still brush for another 5 to 15 minutes. That's only for people that are wolfing. Don't use too much pomade. You can block your pores and all that. Now that you're done with the medium brush, you go in again with a soft brush for another 5 to 10 minutes. Let's get it. Now that you're done with the soft brush, get you a plastic bag and just lay your hair down for about 2 to 3 minutes before you put on your do-rag. Now, after your plastic bag, get your do-rag immediately. Get your do-rag and put it on immediately. Don't wait too long so that your hair doesn't freeze up. If you want to learn how to put on your durag, check this video right here. Yes sir, we've come to the end of the video. I'm sure you're subscribed by now. If you're not yet subscribed, please, it's the red button down below. Just click the subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment if you have any questions to ask. If you want to tell me anything, feel free to drop a DM in my IG. The link is in the description. And also, if you're trying to grow out your beards, make sure you're subscribed because I drop content on beard growth, fixing patchy beards and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's that. Peace.